Start by navigating to the magic link and clicking on Allow. Then, enter your API server details. If you're unsure where to find these details, follow this link to locate the appropriate API server. Once you've located this information, copy and paste it into the URL field. Click Next to proceed to the Company ID section. To find your company ID, log into your SAP Successfactors dashboard and navigate to the relevant section. Click on Show Version Information to display your company ID. Copy this ID and paste it into the corresponding field. For the username, use the same one you used to log into your dashboard. Next, you'll need to obtain your client ID and client secret. Go to your dashboard and search for Manage Oauth 2 Client Application. Click on Register Client Application and enter a suitable name for your application. Enter your application URL and click Generate Certificate. At this point, you can enter a common name and click Generate. Download your certificate. After it's downloaded, extract the private key from the certificate file and copy it. Paste this private key into the client secret field. You're now ready to register your application. After successful registration, your application ID will be generated. Navigate to View to find your API key. Copy this key and paste it into the client ID field. To finish the connection, click on Connect. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that the connection has been successfully established.